In this video, we're going to discuss how to create and work with projects in Construct 3. Put simply, a project in Construct 3 is the game or app that you are building. Each project is just a collection of elements, each with its own customizable properties that you design using the user interface. When it comes to creating projects, you have a couple of options. One option is to jumpstart your development by using one of the templates highlighted on the start page. Employing a template helps you learn how to create a game of a certain genre, or it can simply do a lot of the grunt work for you up front, so why reinvent the wheel? Another option is to start your project from scratch. Simply select New from the project menu, or click the New Project button on the start page. Every project starts off with one empty layout and one associated empty event sheet. The layout is where you design your game visually, whereas the event sheet is where you bring your game to life through the power of code. An overview of each project is listed in the project bar, where you can easily click on each project element to access its properties. Back in Construct 2, all projects were represented as one or more files that were by necessity housed on the local file system. In Construct 3, projects can be saved to either the cloud, local browser storage, or a copy can be downloaded to the local file system. If you save to the cloud, you have a couple of choices in terms of services, including Dropbox, OneDrive, and Google Drive. Once Construct 3 has your credentials, it manages your files and the interactions with your cloud service provider for you. To save to your local operating system's file system, you select Download a Copy whenever you save. After downloading, you should see a single file with the C3P file extension. If you are running Windows and cannot see the extension, you may find it helpful to change your File Explorer options to unhide extensions for known file types. Behind the scenes, every Construct 3 project is just a glorified zip file, a compressed archive by another name. Check it out for yourself. If you can change the extension on your project to a zip, your operating system will immediately recognize it. Opening it reveals a collection of files and folders all compressed together. When you return to continue work on a project, simply open it from whichever storage option you chose. One thing to keep in mind is that Construct 3 is browser-based, which means it cannot write directly to your file system. This is why you have to download copies whenever you use local file storage. For this reason, the other storage options, local browser and cloud-based, are preferred. You can set your default save location and backup preferences in Settings.